Hey folks, we're making a dish called Oyakodon today. It's a Japanese dish, but it kind of reminds me of marrying an Italian frittata with Chinese egg drop soup. It's nice and easy. Traditionally, Oyakodon is made of chicken eggs, chicken thighs, onions, dashi, sake, mirin, soy sauce, sugar. But we're gonna go off the script a little bit today since we're only cooking with salt, black pepper, and chili. To cook your chicken, using a chicken thigh and cut them into strips and then turn it around, cut them on the bias like that. For my oyakodon, I'm going to go off the script a little bit. I still have chicken thighs and eggs, but I'm going to add a little bit of kale for some greens, and instead of a dashi, I'm going to use chicken stock. Also, I'm using cilantro instead of scallions because that's what I have. And a little bit of tip, if you want to keep your herbs nice and fresh, keep them in cold water in the fridge until you're ready to use. The first step is to bring up your chicken stock to a boil and then season it with salt, chili, and black pepper. Once I season my stock to nice and tasty, I added my onions and kale, and now I'm gonna put a lid on to let it cook. Beautiful. This is about a minute and a half in. The onions are halfway there, so I'm gonna add my chicken. Nice. At this point, your chicken is almost done. Just give it a stir and put the lid back on. Now the chicken has been cooked about 3 to 4 minutes. They're done. And this is the perfect time to add seasonings before you add your eggs. I personally like it to be on the more savory side, so I'm gonna lay off the sugar. Now keep your broth bubbling on medium heat and then pour in the eggs. Nice and slow. That was a little too fast, but nice and slow, like that. And then put the lid back on. Beautiful. That's oyakodon. Kind of like frittata in a pan, and also an egg drop soup. You can cook a little more if you want your eggs a little more done, but I like it to be a little runny. And look at that cilantro. It's looking nice and healthy, coming out of the cold water from the fridge. Look at that beautiful oyakodon. And now we're going to serve it on top of the rice. And if you want to get fancy, make a hole in the middle and then slide an egg yolk in there. Now, that's Italian, that could be Korean, that could be Chinese, and that could be Japanese.